So the Enduro Builder's Kit does not come with electronics, it does not come with bumpers, and it does not come with wheels and tires. So those are all things that you'll need to supply. Hey guys, welcome back to Revolution XRC. Today we're going to take a look at the Element Enduro Builder's Kit. With the announcement of the new gatekeeper today, I figured I might as well get to work on this Enduro Builder's Kit that I've had sitting here for a while and start getting to work on it. You guys are probably already familiar with my Element Enduro Sendero right here. So it's a platform I really enjoy driving, and I picked this kit up a while ago and I just haven't gotten around to building it because I've been tuning my Sendero. Well, with this Enduro Builder's Kit, I've been stockpiling parts and I'm excited to get started on it. So I'll take a little bit of a different direction versus my Sendero. I'll go towards the, I guess, try some more experimental things with it. But for right now, we'll go ahead and unbox this and kick this build series off. Alright, let's start by taking a look at the box. This is the Builder's Kit box. I'm pretty sure a lot of you are already familiar with it. Once again, this is the Enduro Builder's Kit. It comes with the chassis, no electronics, no wheels and tires, just the chassis alone. And here are some features that you've come to know very well from Element. The behind the axle steering, aluminum steering plates, got the servo mount with the space for a servo winch too. This does come with the nice blue aluminum shock. You can see here the blue aluminum shock caps versus the stock Enduro Sendero and the Trailwalker with the plastic black ones. The Enduro Builder's Kit also comes with the machined steel gears in the transmission. The RTRs come with some, I guess, 2 plastic gears. They are quieter, but these are machined steel gears. They should be much stronger, and that's what's included in the Builder's Kit. Of course, the adjustable wheelbase, that's pretty common. And of course, one of the main features of the Element Enduro platform is the Stealth X transmission with the overdrive options. And you can see here, there's 3 options: no overdrive, 11.83%, and the stock 5.7%. Alright, let's open the box and get into what is packed inside. Before we go ahead and continue and look at all the parts included, once again, you guys are probably already familiar with this, but the Element RC boxes do become parts of a diorama scale garage and whatnot. This particular Builder's Kit box is the outside of the Sendero box. So this is the outside, this is the door and the garage door that you see here. So we'll take a better look at the box later, and for right now we'll take a look at what's included. Alright, so here you see the extra pivot balls, the 2 battery trays. Well, they're not extra. There will be extras, but these are the pivot balls. These are plastic pivot balls. Now, this is an earlier kit. I have heard somewhere that the newer kits use hard plastics. I don't think it's been implemented in this one yet. This is probably an earlier Enduro Builder's Kit that doesn't have hard plastics. I'm not sure if they changed it in the newer ones, but there was a rumor, and I can't confirm or verify that. But in this particular case, this is the original release Builder's Kit. Here's a body post should you decide to use one. These are the drive shaft parts. And these are the nice upgraded shocks that come with the kit versus the RTRs. Here are these parts for the Stealth X transmission. And you can already see bearings. I don't know if you can see in here, but You can kind of tell that these are all the metal gears. It doesn't have the plastic ones. Here we've got the links and rod ends. Here we've got the front axle. It's got the front axle with the C-hubs and knuckles. And with these parts, these are all packaged together for the particular step that you need. So all the parts for the front axle are packaged together. So this is the front axle. Here is the rear axle. Here's the shock oil and grease. So it comes with the 30 weight shock oil. Here are the sliders and the shock hoops. These are all packaged together. And the bumper mounts are here as well. Here are the Enduro frame rails. And the instruction manual. So the Enduro Builder's Kit does not come with electronics, it does not come with bumpers, and it does not come with wheels and tires. So those are all things that you'll need to supply for the build. And here you can see more of the box. This is the outside of the Sendero box. So this is the outside of the garage. So this is definitely a build that I've been kind of saving up for and kind of waiting for the right time to build. But now it's kind of the time where I just need to get it done. I have all the parts accumulated, all aftermarket parts accumulated for this already. I will be building it up stock first and just going through it just for beginners to the kit. And after the stock build is complete, I will start doing upgrades to it and modifying it in the series. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can stay tuned for the future updates on my Element Enduro kit build series. Thanks for watching.